How to log in into PNC Core Visa Credit Card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in PNC Core Credit Card and then search for it. The data and website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, pnc.com. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the official website, at the top right corner, you'll see the option of Sign On. Click on it. Now, you'll be directed to the login page. From here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in the user ID, then enter the password. If you want to save your user ID, check in for the option of Remember User ID. In the case you have forgotten the password or the user ID, you can click on this option to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on Login. With that, you'll be logged into your online banking and you can get access to your account. If you haven't created your account yet, click on the option of Enroll in Online Banking and go through the registration process. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.